Look at this question. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B. Starting with centers at A of radii 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter as shown in the figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Take pi is equal to 22/7. See here, spiral is made up of successive semicircles. Now this is a semicircle. The center of this semicircle is A. Now we have to make spiral with successive semicircles. Now draw one more semicircle with center B. And again semicircle with center A, semicircle with center B. It makes a spiral. Here the semicircles above this line will have center A and semicircles below this line will have center B. Now starting with center A, radii is 0.5 centimeter. The radii of this semicircle is 0.5 centimeter. Then radii of this semicircle is 1 centimeter and radii of this semicircle is 1.5 centimeter, then 2 centimeter, and it goes on. Now you have to find what is the total length of such spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles. What is the total length of the such spiral? Length of the spiral means, see here, you have to start from here and you have to find the total length along this line. See here, starting from here, find the length like this. Now, do you remember the formula of circumference of circle? Now start from here. How will you calculate this length? What is the formula to calculate the perimeter of circle, that is circumference of circle? That is 2 pi r. Now if I divide the circle into two equal parts, one part will be semicircle. Now what is the length of the arc of a semicircle? What is the length of the arc of a semicircle? That is this length. What is the length from here to here? Total length is 2 pi r, that is circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Semicircle means half of a circle. The length of the arc of a semicircle is pi r, that is half of 2 pi r. Now in this spiral, first we have to calculate the length of the arc of a circle, semicircle with radius 0.5. Means we have to calculate this length. Now we have formula pi r. Now the first semicircle, the radius is 0.5, that is r is 0.5. So right here, total length of the spiral is equal to, we have the formula pi r. Now for the first semicircle, the length of the arc is pi into r. R is 0.5. Then for next semicircle, look at the figure. We have to find this length. See here, we have to find this length, that is pi into 1.0 because radius is 1.0. Now after that, we have to find this length. See here, this length we have to find, that is pi into 1.5. Next, look at the figure. We have to find this length, that is pi into 2, and it goes on like this up to how many semicircles? The spiral is made up of 13 consecutive semicircles, 13 semicircles. Now for the first semicircle, radius is 0.5. For the second semicircle, radius is 1. For third semicircle, radius is 1.5. For fourth semicircle, radius is 2. So for 13th semicircle, radius will be half of 13, that is 6.5. So length of the arc of a semicircle is pi into 6.5. For first semicircle, radius is 0.5, second 1, third 1.5, fourth 2, 13th 6.5. Now we have to find this sum. Here pi is common in all the terms, so keep pi outside. Pi is common. So inside the bracket 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0 and so on up to 6.5. Now see here, pi, look at the numbers inside the bracket, 0.5, 1, 1.5. This is an AP because common difference is 0.5. Therefore, it is an AP. How to find the sum of the terms of an AP? That is n by 2 into a plus an. We have the nth term, that is last term is 6.5. So we can use this formula. So pi into n is 13 by 2. What is a? A is 0.5 plus an is 6.5. So pi into 13 by 2 into 0.5 plus 6.5, that is 7. Now pi is 22 by 7 into 13 by 2 into 7. It is 7, 7 cancels. 2 ones are, 2 11s are, that is 11 into 13. That is equal to 143. Therefore, total length of the spiral made of 13 consecutive semicircles is 143 centimeter.